A very good morning, students. How are you all? I hope that you all are doing good at your homes. So, students, in our last class, we all have completed English main course book later PT2 portion. And from today onwards, we will start completing grammar portion, our rest of the grammar portion of PT2. So, let's start with chapter 20 adverbs. Read the following sentences. The baby is crying loudly. They are talking softly. The car is running fast. The word loudly, softly, fast tells us more about the verb is crying, are talking, and is running. They tells us how the baby is crying loudly, how they are talking softly, how is the car running fast. So we can understand here that adverb is the word which is telling more about verb. एडवर्ब वर्ब है ऐसे वर्ड्स हैं जो हमें वर्ब के बारे में और ज़्यादा बता रहे हैं लाइक हाउ बेबी इज क्राइंग क्राइंग यू कैन सी क्राइंग इज अ वर्ब सो दिस वर्ड लाउडली इज टेलिंग समथिंग मोर अबाउट दिस क्राइंग अंडरस्टूड so words loudly softly and fast are called adverbs. These types of words are adverb. These adverbs tell us how an action is done. Adverbs हमें बताते हैं कि कोई ये adverbs हमें क्या बता रहे हैं that कोई भी action है वो किस तरह से हुआ है. Understood? So underline how adverbs in these sentences. Now I will complete 3 questions and rest of the questions you all have to complete by yourself. I will tell you how to do this. So let's see. Rahul clapped happily. Here clapping is an clapping is a verb. Clap is a verb. And here you can see clapping. Rahul is clapping. But how he's clapping? He's clapping happily. कैसे clap कर रहा है? बहुत खुश होके. He's clapping happily. So happily is an adverb. Here we just have to put underline. Yes. Now I drive carefully. So here you can see I drive carefully. Drive is a verb and carefully is an adverb. So Anu reads well. Anu reads. Reads is adverb. Reads is verb, and here well is adverb. Now rest of the questions you all have to complete, students. Okay. So now read these sentences. Meena is playing there. Bird is flying above. Now here you can see Jyoti is waiting downstairs. The word there, downstairs, and above tells us more about the verb is playing, is waiting, is flying. They tells us where Meera play. Where is Meera playing? Where is Jyoti waiting? Where is bird? Where is the bird flying? You can see these words there, downstairs, above are telling about where. The word there, downstairs, above are also adverbs. These all words are also adverb. They tells us where the action have taken. So these word tells us that where the action have taken. Underline the where adverb. Here now we have to underline the where adverb. Again I will complete only 3 questions. You all have to complete rest of the questions by yourself. Let's complete them. Mohan is playing outside. Yes, playing is verb and outside is an adverb. Jyoti is standing there. Standing is verb and there is adverb. Vandana is waiting upstairs. Vandana is waiting. Waiting is verb and upstairs is adverb. So upstairs. So rest of the questions you all have to complete by yourself, students. I hope that you all can do. If you have any doubt, no, you can ask me. Now move to the next. Now read these sentences. Tarun is present in class today. The birds are flying now. Manoj gets up early. Now here these words today, now, early are telling about when. When adverb. When is Tarun present? Today. When are the birds flying? When are the birds flying? Now. When does Mohan gets up? Early. Now words today, new and early are adverbs. Now it's now. New is written there. Today, now, and early are adverbs. They tells us when the actions have taken. Now, underline the when adverb in the adverbs in the sentences. We met him yesterday. Here, yesterday is an adverb. Okay. It is It is sunny today. So today is an adverb. Okay. It rained yesterday. Yesterday is an adverb. So rest of the questions you have to complete. An adverb tells us more about a verb. This is the definition of adverb. Adverb क्या होता है? जो हमें verb के बारे में और ज़्यादा बताता है. An adverb tells us more about a verb. It tells us how, where and when an action takes place. Okay, so underline how adverb in green color, when adverb in blue colors. So this exercise you all have to complete by yourself. I'm giving you this exercise as an assignment to you, so you have to complete. Now fill in the blanks how adverb from the box. Here we just have to find out, we have to put correct adverb in the blanks. So you can see I've already completed 3-4 questions. You have to complete rest of the questions, students. The baby cried loudly. The soldiers fought bravely. The thief entered the house quietly. Tia did her homework neatly. Tia did her homework neatly. Now rest of the questions you all have to complete. Fill in the blanks with where adverbs from the box. Exercise number F. Here we have to fill up where adverb. The guests are waiting outside in the garden. Please come inside. Neha is on the first floor, so Neeta has gone upstairs to call her. We looked for the dog everywhere. The teacher asked him to go out of the classroom. Now rest of the questions you all have to complete. Now here what we have to fill up? We have to fill up when adverb. You can see exercise number G, fill in the blanks with the when adverb from the box. The school is closed today. My best friend will arrive tomorrow. I go for my swimming classes daily. I had fever yesterday. You should leave now if you want to reach Shimla before evening. She woke up early. Now rest of the questions, students, you all have to complete. Take the correct adverb from the bracket. Here we have to take the correct adverb from the bracket. It's very simple exercise, but I will complete 3 questions of this exercise for you all. Please read the story carefully or carelessly. It's carefully. I will meet you curiously or soon. I will meet you soon. We were waiting for them eagerly or loudly. It's eagerly. And let's complete at least 5. On holiday, I get up late or daily. On holidays, I get up late. Rohini sang sweetly or never. It's sweetly. Very simple. So rest of the questions you all have to complete. It's very simple exercise, students. That's all for today's class. We will meet in our next class. Till then, complete all the assignments which I've given you, and we will meet in our next class and complete chapter 21. So that's all for today's class. Take care, students. Good day.